How to pay JCPenney card using the mobile app or the website. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can pay your JCPenney credit card using the mobile app or website. For this, you first need to download the JCPenney app. You can go to Play Store or App Store and simply search for JCPenney and hit enter. Once you find the application, you can just go ahead and log into it. So install the app and log into it. I'm going to be showing you guys using the website. So go ahead and visit the JCPenney website. Then once you are on here, you can make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, you can add your JCPenney card here. Go to the payment section and add the JCPenney credit card. Follow the on-screen prompts that are shown here to add your card. And once you are done, you can make a payment. So in the app or the website, you can navigate to the card settings once you've added it. And once you have the card, you could just find your wallet or the card section and choose the payment amount. From there, you can select your bank and submit it. Once that is done, your payment will be submitted and your credit card will be paid for. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next one.